Hey guys, we've been getting a lot of questions about what Web 3.0 is, so we thought we'd take a second to explain exactly what it is, why you should care, and how you can use it to your advantage. Basically, Web 3.0 is all about bringing together the power of industry and the power of the interconnected nature of the internet. It uses data from many sources to give you better results than any one source could produce on its own. By pulling together different kinds of data with advanced algorithms, it gives you more accurate information than ever before. At Company Name, we're trying to harness this power to make sure you don't have to worry about finding the best industry-related information or get bogged down in the day-to-day work that keeps your business running smoothly. We want you to be at the top of your game, which is why we do all the heavy lifting for you. Web 3.0, cryptocurrency and blockchain. As Web 3.0 networks will operate through decentralized protocols, the founding blocks of blockchain and cryptocurrency technology, we can expect to see a strong convergence and symbiotic relationship between these three technologies and other fields. They will be interoperable, seamlessly integrated, automated through smart contracts, and used to power anything from microtransactions in Africa, censorship-resistant P2P data file storage, and sharing with applications like Filecoin to completely changing every company conduct and operate their business. The current slew of DeFi protocols are just the tip of the iceberg. Web 3.0 technologies. There are a few details that we need to keep in mind when looking into Web 3.0 tech. First of all, the concept isn't new. Jeffrey Zeldman, one of the early developers of Web 1.0 and 2.0 applications, had written a blog post putting his support behind Web 3.0 back in 2006. But talks around this topic had begun as early as 2001. Evolution of the Web 3.0 technologies. Web 3.0 will be born out of a natural evolution of older generation web tools combined with cutting-edge technologies like AI and blockchain, as well the interconnection between users and increasing internet usage. Apparently, Internet 3.0 is an upgrade to its precursors, Web 1.0 and 2.0. Web 1.0, 1989-2005. Web 1.0, also called the static web, was the first and most reliable internet in the 1990s, despite only offering access to limited information with little to no user interaction. Back in the day, creating user pages or even commenting on articles weren't a thing. Web 1.0 didn't have algorithms to sift internet pages, which made it extremely hard for users to find relevant information. Simply put, it was like a one-way highway with a narrow footpath where content creation was done by a select few and information came mostly from directories. Web 2.0, 2005 present. The social web, or Web 2.0, made the internet a lot more interactive thanks to advancements in web technologies like JavaScript, HTML5, CSS3, etc., which enabled startups to build interactive web platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, Wikipedia, and many more. This paved the way for both social networks and user-generated content production to flourish since data can now be distributed and shared between various platforms and applications. The set of tools in this internet era was pioneered by a number of web innovators like the aforementioned Jeffrey Zeldman. Web 3.0, yet to come. Web 3.0 is the next stage of the web evolution that would make the internet more intelligent or process information with near human-like intelligence through the power of AI systems that could run smart programs to assist users. Tim Berners-Lee had said that the semantic web is meant to automatically interface with systems, people, and home devices. As such, content creation and decision-making processes will involve both humans and machines. This would enable the intelligent creation and distribution of highly tailored content straight to every internet consumer. Web 3.0 applications. A common requirement for a Web 3.0 application is the ability to digest large-scale information and turn it into factual knowledge and useful executions for users. With that being said, these applications are still at their early stages, which means that they have a lot of room for improvement and are a far cry from how Web 3.0 apps could potentially function. Some of the companies that are building or have products that they are transforming into Internet 3.0 applications are Amazon, Apple, and Google. Two examples of applications that utilize Web 3.0 technologies are Siri and Wolfram Alpha. Siri, over the years, Apple's voice-controlled AI assistant, has grown more intelligent and has expanded its abilities since its first appearance in the iPhone 4's model. Siri uses speech recognition, along with artificial intelligence, to be able to perform complex and personalized commands. Today, Siri and other AI assistants, like Amazon's Alexa and Samsung's Bixby, can understand requests such as, "Where is the nearest burger joint?" or "Book an appointment with Sasha Marshall at 8:00 a.m. tomorrow," and immediately come up with the right information or action. Wolfram Alpha is a computational knowledge engine that answers your questions directly by computation, as opposed to giving you a list of web pages like search engines do. If you want a practical comparison, search England vs Brazil on both Wolfram Alpha and Google and see the difference. Google gives the results of the World Cup, even if you didn't include football as a keyword, since it is the most popular search. Alpha, on the other hand, would give you a detailed comparison of the two countries, like you asked. That's the key difference between Web 2.0 and 3.0. Closing thoughts. The new internet will provide a more personal and customized browsing experience, a smarter and more human-like search assistant, and other decentralized benefits that are hoped will help to establish a more equitable web. This will be achieved by empowering each individual user to become a sovereign over their data and creating a richer overall experience thanks to the myriad of innovations that is to come once it is in place. When Web 3.0 inevitably arrives, as hard as it is to fathom considering how smart devices have already changed our behavioral patterns, the internet will become exponentially more integrated in our daily lives. We will see nearly all of today's normally offline machines, from home appliances like ovens, vacuums, and refrigerators, to all types of transport, become part of the EOT economy, interacting with its autonomous servers and decentralized applications, DApps, advancing new digital realms like blockchain and digital asset to power a myriad of new tech miracles for the 21st century.